Hello. Don't remember we today. Don't try. Yes, so. Fine. This man don't. I know. Sebe, you know well. Now the stone and this. If we don't burn there yesterday, we'll buy the coal. The last one buy will be buy yesterday. So don't come go broke them. So but someday we go can set back. You for set back, eh? Okay. Now tomorrow the knock or now? Okay. But Diana for Kana money, we want complete this one. We want try concrete, please. Make no more with the sea. So this stone for here. One complete here. This one from here. Take go this way. But I need this stone there. Then you take them this way. You join and come see. What's that? We'll look for you this morning. It will not see you. So, you see the walk. And this is the walk over there. Sorry. So, see, knock, the man then the walk. Not easy. So do please let we come on board. Please let them complete this work. They want to go do other work. This is not dry season. I said it's not December. Work them day. Wait them for go do and like this man. So now what Alompo come on. He left work. They are the big one now. Let we complete this side. Let them able go do them work. They are please. Let we able do waiting for do. You see, they work no easy. They're very hard work. They don't do. From the beginning up to now. You see? Then just want to complete that side, don't go under. Come this side. Then come here. This is now very hard work. And we just support them, let the material then come and let them complete this work. At least let them know they pan this work there and just for feed them family. Like this one, you get 2 women. Yeah, in between them, then they was alone. So yeah, they are the big one. Mohammed, now you make candle for the salsa? Huh? Now you make candle for the salsa? Okay, this now with the plan for the salsa, we know say by the grace of God it will come. So now I want to turn the salsa or the granite stone. So we turn other material over here so that it will be easy for do the concreting. So this is not the work. We are please my neighbors them. Let we come on board, let we will complete this one. Please. Do please. So this is not the work. We will go and sell now here they make for the sansan. We will pack. Then the granite stone, sorry, now we go pack here. Then the sansan now we will fetch now here parts for a pack because some for them at the streets, some they don't. Some people for them at the streets, some they don't. Because up here there you go stream. So and then this the work this stone here ain't done. So in done and easy. So the work this please. I believe say effort everybody they put effort. If we say for there we just relax like that and call material and I go just look at them that way. We will not relax. Every day work they go on. See? Every day work they go on. See the work. See the work. From this morning, they Maya they pan this work. For bail this stone, for pack this stone, for break this stone, and for fix this stone. You know easy. The effort too much. Please, I know so we all they put effort. Then we just continue and complete this one. Imagine this road left so. You know, complete. Now road we get, you know, will last. And they can show on outside the truck then beyond begin hit where then they come up because of you know complete. See this? This is just for cutter or join the road. This is just for cut. We set fire upon now. Cut because see the level. See the level. We are all they don't work here today. See big work since this morning. They are just working. Yeah, please. Now people in mind, now people in picking them. Let we just come on board, let them do all waiting for do. Let them safe go. You see inside the truck pass. You see, let me just imagine truck they continue for pass here. They pass here. They just the break. Then all the efforts we don't put the resources, everything will just go like that. So please, my neighbors, please. If you not turn back, say one trip Sansa, one turn back, one trip Sansa, we able come up with the able complete this. Do ya please? Because the safe side for me. So this one, you just for kind straight that way. This is just for edge because this is high. For slope. So that way motor carry the rest. This is just for breaker so that it will slope. So it will slope. The material left will go so. Because we go with and take to that gutter. Then will be in plan. Straight to that gutter. Then this balance now. Then try for scatter this dirty. Try for dress and but to just for make them happy. You see, the work not easy. This dirty all to Mr. Gabazi, the one broken, flop and like here. Go and make it and take go to be party and so we must kaya they go. So the one just done this one and take this, go up here and clean and make the gutter fine. We just for come together. Fine soup na money killer more. Sweet soup na money killer. Do you please? Let we come on board. We all in at this road. See we are way flat. So then just need for adjuster like this dirty so then scatter and so take this gutter go with and so take to Cornell in part, take to Mommy Cecilia in part, take go to Mommy Famata, take go to Raymond, make the gutter. Then all in dirty the way park na the street so then clear and fine. Get a beautiful view. When you stand here, you will see you view right down. You see, take go to Dr. Jallo then corner yonder. Then try for clearer. This now we plan. But we need for make them laugh. We need for let material day. Because one way then done here, then go start dandy. You see, where then done here, as soon as then done this, look where the road's fine for watch. Look at now the edge at him so I see the streets. So if I don't see one at the edge, I don't see the street. I don't see map here, I don't see the edge of yonder. Waiting else again. Let we see that. Waiting else again. So do please, at the big me neighbors then. This is not very good work we do. Very good work, oh. Won't no go ever regret. Because nobody know the parking vehicle down again. Nobody in material, they know the bail again. They know they eat that money now we and they know go thief from way again. You don't say what don't suffer on this road here. So please, let we all hold on the cow material, the constraints that we don't go through. Let we understand that and we don't do a move, we don't do and do. No, we don't conquer anyway. Not just completion. They say condo, don't eat the body, you know the top and the tail. So you see, this is not the curve. You said then take the curve. So this now when Motka come, poop, you have gone. Don't go inside. So you see, we still here, we need to tie up and by the grace of God, we conquer a man by God in own power. You see, look level. Are they up? I don't get the last. I don't pick ayanda. Oh, see. So you see, 80 bag cement. No schedule. Yeah, na 20 bag. Yeah, darling. Yeah, na 20 bag. Take go up here. From here, take go to that edge. Then from here, take go down. 50 bag. Then they put 47 bag. The 3 bag, take go down, 47 bag, take go to the front yonder, 47 bag, now we estimate for we will not say by the grace of God you do. Then the 3 bag, we dey make the edges them. The edges here, you see, we want to make all the edges them. So if you water come, we not even make the gutter it, but we water come, we concrete is safe. We dey make the gutters them from down, we dey put board, we try for adjuster. Take go up like this safe so you know adjust it. Because then one the way can help winner, then can't do this work. The same. So but we need for cotton. This is for cotton. The game board. Slide and fine. Like how all this go down. Take to the other side. So please, we get the plan. Now for let the material day. Then the work done. You see? I know how for do and I did do and are two different things. Now we don't know how to do am. Now na follow we do am now. They will all see am. Okay, una thank you very much. As una don't watch the video, una don't see the tireless work or they do the restless work. We own all effort. We don't see them now, and we don't put them together with unity, with love. I pray that we conclude it, we conquer them, we complete them, and at the end of the day, we get a perfect road for everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello again, good evening to each everyone in this wonderful group. As you see, the same project. Also, me Bossman Day and me Sisi. Now the stone don't stop now. But we still lay on the fight for complete this space we don't left. Take can done at this edge. Yeah, so stone don't left free, but soon and very soon we'll get stone tomorrow. We will take complete this phase. Yeah, so as you see for the work today, like this we do. Yeah, so take a look inside this group. Yeah, so they are today, and now the work stop. Still tomorrow we will continue to get this space we don't left. So we all see. So today, tomorrow we will fight for cover this side. So take a look. Say bravo to una all for come on board and join in for do this road work. Thank you to you all. May God bless you now. May God give you an upper hand for do great. So we say for there the work now in this for today. So Bossman this. So see the work for today. Work this as you please toner, not forget we self today aside for power this work so that we will come here inside this week to next week. So you see inside the stone threading stop for today. I believe say tomorrow to next tomorrow we'll get enough but stone we'll go couple locker. So take a look. This is not the work for today. This work not today happen. Then they have for do more and more. So this is not the work. What we will do today. Tomorrow we will get coal. Then we'll get Boston. Then we'll continue for period. So thank you to you all inside this group.